Hello and welcome to TweetNinja, guys. If you download the app, you will end up here with the analytics page, which shows how much checkouts you got and which sites you checked out. Here you see your total checkouts. I got 2 right now. Yeah, that's for the analytics page. Over here we got the profile groups, which you can create by clicking create group. You can create here your profiles. I already did that. As you can see in the top right, you can rename it to like test. Hit the pen to save. And you have here your details you have to fill in. You can choose same as billing for the same billing address as shipping, or you can unbox that and change your billing address. Then click create profile. Then you have your card right here. And yeah, that's how you create a profile basically. You can export it by clicking on this arrow. Export test. It's exported and you can import by clicking this arrow. Export test. Open. And you see it got added. Yeah, that's how you create profiles. Over here we got your proxies. You can create a proxy group by clicking create group. Then choose your group. Import some proxies right here. And click save proxy. You can test it as well. You can export your proxies by the arrow again, and you can import your proxy by adding it right with this arrow. Then you can test it, you can delete them, you can rename it right here. Click save. Obviously proxies aren't working right now in the bot because you're not required to use proxies for each site right now, only for Shopify. Over here is the harvester task. To create a harvester, simply click here on the right, then you can click on monitor to create Twitter. Obviously only Twitter is working right now, Shopify isn't working right now. Then you hit the green button to save, the purple button to open the monitor. Should open window, which is connected with this Twitter monitor, Twitter main. It will all tweets use. I got a little problem right here. All tweets you will see here will pop up in this window. Yeah, that's how you set up the Twitter monitor. To create a captcha monitor, simply choose captcha, create task. You don't need the monitor right now, so choose task group. Task group will be made later. So you have question box, most likely for Shopify here again. This button to save, this button to open it. It will pop up like an answer for your tasks. Then you have over here we have the reCAPTCHA. That's most likely for Shopify drops, just a normal CAPTCHA solver. You have here the password edit, which is very important for bot releases. Basically just the password, like let's say this is the password for the TweetNinja restock. You're just gonna copy paste that from Twitter and click submit, and it will fill the password for your tasks. Over here is the TL captcha. This is only requested if you run request mode. The magic mode doesn't need a solver. Yeah, that's basically how much. You can also rename it right here in the top, like test. Click the pen to save it, open it, you will see another name pops up. Yeah, pretty much that's all for the harvesters. So over here we have the settings tab. Basically check for updates, it checks for the update if you're up to date on the version. Over here you get taken to the dashboard. Yeah, and here is the change log if you want to read what got added, what got rewrote, what got deleted. All that stuff is over here. Over here you can add your Discord tokens, your bearer tokens for the TL dashboard sites. And over here you can add your webbook. Yeah, that's pretty much all for the settings tab. So, welcome to the last part of the TweetNinja guide, and it's gonna be about the tasks. You can simply create a task group by creating task group. Over here you have the yellow bolt, you can click the bolt and it's yellow. With that you can just copy paste, it's like a link appender, it's the same. Basically here you have the delete option, it deletes it. You can rename it by clicking the pen, it will save the rename. Oh wait, I messed up. Write that, and then yeah, it shows here you how much tasks you have running right now with your proxies. Here the same, you can export the data with this button right here, or you can import data or tasks with this button right here. So over here you have the overlay to start all tasks, to stop all tasks, to mass edit all tasks, and to delete them. Over here you can create your tasks. The release calendar isn't working right now. It will be made working soon, I guess. Over here we have the custom. This is where you want to go if you want to make tasks. Over here you have your profiles you can choose. Your website, you input the Shopify URL you want to bot to, which website. Choose the request mode. Shopify you can run with proxies. Here's the price range, like $20 to $30. Over here you have your keywords, like plus left, and it will go for the item which has the keyword in it. Basically keyword, monitor delay, retry delay. I can really recommend the delay, each site is different. So over here you have auto submit password. It is I think it is together with the link appender, the lightning bolt right here. Over here we have password protected. That means it will pop a password, right? It will pop up a password tab, I think. And password sharing is for, yeah, it is currently disabled, but it will be available soon for you. Over here we have the TL dashboards. Here you have some sites. You have the request mode and the magic mode. The request mode, if you run it, if you don't have made a harvester, you're gonna use the captcha solver, you have to turn it on. If you have a harvester made for the tasks, you can simply just turn it off. Auto submit password is the same. If you hit the lightning bolt, you have to hit Ctrl C on every text or password that pops up on the Twitter monitor, and yeah, it will auto submit it. Over here you have the bearer tokens. You can get them on each different dashes. Over here you can choose proxies. Proxies don't work. Retry delay is 0 for bot restocks. Over here we have the meta labs task, which we have a lot of bots right here. Again, you can choose your profile, the mode. Request mode is for paid releases, free is for free releases. And the newest add is the countdown mode, which is for, yeah, like it's describing itself for countdowns on websites, like 5-minute timers and so on. Over here you have the meta session, you have to copy it in. Retry delay will be 0 again. And yeah, over here we have the ducky dash. Of course we have profiles right here, some websites, pre-harvest and request. I would recommend running pre-harvest mode, because yeah, personally I think it's better than the request mode, but run both if you have the possibility. Here again, retry delay, put it to 0. Over here we have the Velo Dash test. You can choose your profile, you can choose the websites, what are in here, the mode, request mode, retry delay 0. User session is the same as the MetaLabs meta session, just for another site, for another dashboard. So over here we have the Shrey Dash, here you have your profiles, here you have bots which you can go for, here you have modes, request mode, proxies, retry delay, again 0. Again the user session is the Shrey session, it's the same as Velo session and MetaLab session. Over here we have Freddy Dash. Here you have also some sites. You have like request mode, your proxies you choose right here. Retry delay 0. User session if you want to, yeah, you need that. That's also the same on way on how to get Shrey session, MetaLab session. Yeah. Over here the last step we have custom tasks for custom bots like Carnage, Fluid, KSR, Qbot, ZeniScripts. We have the request mode that is working right now, and yeah, retry delay. So if you want to do like, let's say you wanted to create a Ducky Dash, you're gonna click pre-harvest, gonna choose the website, you're gonna go for Cook Beast, gonna use test profile, no proxy, retry delay 0, auto submit password, create. I'll have here my tasks, I can start them up. It says waiting for password, you go to the harvester, simply change that to your group, then choose the password edit, click save, then open that one, go to your tasks, you can simply input password, click submit. Oh wait, I did choose the wrong group, right there. So I can input that, I have to reopen it. Okay, write that. It will be some submitting order. So basically, if you can stop them, start them again. Now we're gonna go to the lightning bolt. If you have it on, you can just simply mark something, and copy paste it, just copy it, and it will auto submit a password into your task page. Simply as that. Yeah, I hope this guide helps you a lot to get further in TweetNinja, and